Ever wondered how these channels make money? Well, some of these channels have millions of subscribers and views simply by uploading lo-fi music videos with a basic background. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of creating your very own lo-fi music channel. Right from generating the music, creating the video and uploading it to YouTube. This is Brian from 𝗬𝗯𝗹𝗲 and let's get started. We're going to create our lo-fi music videos in just 3 steps. The first step is to generate the music. To do that, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this page. To generate the music, run this file. Now you will get this link. Just click on it and you'll reach this page. Now scroll down and if you see under examples, we have lo-fi here. So if we click on it, a sample music will be added here. If you want, here you can describe how you want your lo-fi music to be, like for study or work or just to relax. If you don't know exactly how to describe the music you want, you can upload your own sample music as a reference for the AI to generate the music of your liking. I'm going to upload my sample music here. Just remove this default music and upload your own music sample. Now to get the sample music, you can use a website called 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 where you can download different kinds of music for free. Just go to 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲.com. Now search for lo-fi music. Then click here and select music files. Now you'll get a list of lo-fi music here. Just play the music and select the one you want. I'm going to select this one. Then click download and it will be downloaded to our computer. Now let's go back to this page, click here and upload the sample music. Then choose the duration of the music. You can generate music for a maximum of 2 minutes. And click submit. As you can see, our music has been generated. So let's listen to it. Now to download it, simply click here and click download. Alright, we have successfully generated our lo-fi music and next let's go to step 2, which is to generate the background image for the music. We're going to use a tool called Playground, so let's go there. Click get started and then sign in using your Google account. Now here describe how you want the image to be. I'm going to type girl working on a desk, bright stars at the background night and click generate. As you can see, it has generated a beautiful image for us. Now hover over the image and click actions, then upscale by 4x and download it. Once we've got the background image, let's move to the final step, which is to combine the music and the image to create the lo-fi video. To do this, we're going to use an online video editing tool called CapCut. Please note that this tool may not be available in some countries. If it isn't available in your country, you can use a VPN to access it. Or you can also use beat.io, which is also an excellent tool for editing. So to use CapCut, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this page. Then sign up using your Google account and you'll reach this page. Now to create your video, just click create new and select the aspect ratio. I'm going to select 16:9. Now click upload. Then drag and drop the image and the music files here. Now to add the image here, just click on the image and it will be added to the track. Then click on fill so that the image fills the whole frame. You can extend the image to be as long as you want your video duration to be. Lo-fi music videos are usually at least an hour long, so I'm going to extend it to an hour. Now instead of just showing the static image throughout the video, we can add some effects to make it more attractive. To do that, just go here, choose the effects you want and extend it over the entire length of the video. Now if you play the video, you can see that the effects are applied to the entire image. I feel like it'll look better if the effect is applied only to the background. So let's see how to do that. Just right click on the image track, click duplicate, and a copy will be created. Now like we did before, just click fit screen and click fill to make it fill the entire frame. Now we are going to remove the background for this new layer so that any effects we add will only affect the layer below it. So to remove the background, just make sure this duplicate layer is selected, click here, then click remove background and enable auto removal. Now if you play the video, you can see that the effect is applied only in the background. In the same way, you can add more effects. Just make sure you place them between these two layers. So now if you play the video, you can see the video looks great with all the added effects. Next, we need to add music to it. But before that, if you notice, we've got a lot of layers here. So first, let's combine these and make it into a single video. After that, we'll add the music. To do that, click export, then click download. Here give a name for your video and click download again. Once the video clip is downloaded, let's delete these tracks. Then click here and upload the video we just downloaded. Let's add the music. Since our music is only 2 minutes long, we're going to loop it by duplicating it till it fills the entire length of the video. Once that's done, let's add a few finishing touches. To add fade in and fade out transition in the video, just select this layer, go to animation, then click here and choose the one you like. I'm going to fade in and set the duration to be 10 seconds. So let's do the same for the out animation. And that's it. If we play the video, you can see that the animations are added. Now let's add a title. So just go to the beginning of the video, click on text, go to commercial, and if you click view all, you will find various font styles which you can use on the video. Select the one you like and then you can edit the text from here. Now if you want to increase the text size, just drag it like this and place it where you want. Okay, once you're done, you can download the video. So just click export, then download. Here give a name for your video and click export. And it will be downloaded. So this is how you can make a lo-fi music video. Now if you upload this video directly to YouTube, the chances of it getting good views is highly unlikely. So next, I'm going to show you how you can properly upload your lo-fi music video to YouTube with the correct title, description and tags. To do that, go to your YouTube dashboard, click upload videos, select your video, now here you need to give a title for your video. This is the title that will appear on YouTube like this, and this is very important to get views as your title and thumbnail are the first things viewer notice and they can decide whether to click on them or not. If you need help coming up with compelling titles for your YouTube video, there's an AI tool which can help you come up with these titles for your video. Just click the link in the description. And here you can enter a few keywords related to your video. So I'm going to enter calm lo-fi music video for work and study and click create content. It'll give you 10 unique titles for your video, and if you scroll down, you can see it has suggested ideas for thumbnails too. You can select any title you like and paste it here. Here you need to add a description for your video. So let's go back to GravityWrite. Go to description and tags. Enter your video title here. Then click create content. And the description is ready. It has also generated relevant tags and hashtags which we can use for our video. So let's copy them. Go back to YouTube and paste it here. Then scroll down and select the second option since the video is not made for kids. Then keep clicking next. And finally, here you need to select public to make your video visible for everyone and click publish. So now we have successfully published our video on YouTube. Now to get monetized, you should post videos on your channel consistently and reach a milestone of 1,000 subscribers and also get 4,000 hours of watch time. Once you hit these goals, you will be able to monetize your channel. So that's it guys, this is how you can create a lo-fi music channel. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Website Learners for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.